What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review. I haven't made a review in a while, so a couple reasons. First, I wasn't able to get some of the kicks, and then some of the ones I got, I never actually received them. Shout out to FedEx for messing that up, because they said delivered and I never got them. So I had to call Nike and get my refund on the DMP 6s and the Silver Tongue 5s I wanted to review. But anyway, picked up this pair last week from Farfetch LA. So they were having a sale, half price. A scuba pair. I really like these. I remember they came back. They actually released back in January of this year, and we are already in May, and finally they started going on sale. So let's get into this review. First, let's check out the box. See if I get it to focus. Air Max 95 CDG, white, summit white. CDG stands for Comme de Garcon. So this is their collaboration on the Air Max 95, which I thought was really dope, and I have kept my eye on them, and they finally went on sale. So I said I gotta pull that trigger. So let's get into the review. And here you guys have it, Air Max 95 CDGs, Comme des Garçons. So these actually retail for $350, if you guys can believe that. They have like a distressed look, kind of like they off-white, but these are really nice. The materials are really nice. You got this nice suede up here. You got the frayed line, which would normally on an Air Max 95 be the frayed lines. And if you see here, you pull this down a little bit, you got your Nike swoosh in there in white. This shoe is predominantly white with just the gray suede going around. This might be a hard shoe to keep clean, but I couldn't pass them up because CDG always does some really good collabs with Nike. So as you can see, you got the Comme des Garçons Homme Plus. In the back, you have your Nike Air, and this is the 3M silver that it has. Your air bubble is white, but as you can see, you can actually see stuff in the air bubble. That's pretty cool. I didn't even realize or notice that. Check that out. Kind of gives you like a different look. And you got your outsole, it's predominantly white as well, and you got this plastic in here, Nike Air. And then your silver here is also 3M. You got your laces. I'm not too sure. I don't think these are 3M laces. And it did not come with an extra set of laces. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. But these are pretty cool. You got your foam right there, exposed. It's really dope, man. This is really cool. And so yeah, I picked these up from Farfetch LA. So they were having a sale last week. It popped up, I forgot, I think it was on IG, I think it was Sneaker Shoutouts, or it could have been on Twitter, I'm not sure. Make sure you guys are following me on IG at Mills_world. Once again, Mills_world. Follow me on there. I do have a Twitter. If anything, I'll just link it in the description down below for you guys to check me out. I post a lot of times my pickups on there, and then I make videos on it. But this is some really good material. You see, as you can see, this is also looks like a gray, and then you got the white Air Max on top. So like I said, this is a real hard shoe to keep clean, but this will be a nice summer shoe to rock. I mean, Air Max 95s are dope anyway, so this would be a really nice one to have. And like I said, that retail was $350 on these, but thanks to Farfetch LA and their sale, I was able to scoop them up for half of that, plus little tax and the shipping, but still came out to less. That's good. It goes from basically almost a $400 shoe ship to about a $200 shoe ship, so pretty much half price. But this is a dope shoe, man. If you are able to scoop these up, they got them on StockX. They ain't going for too much, but they're not going for what I paid right now. I actually wanted to get the black pair too, but not right now. I passed on those for now. And then that black, gray, and white pair as well, which is, I think, it seems to be the hottest one, because when I look on StockX, it goes for the most cash. So anyways, If you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe. Just know I'm trying to get out videos when I can. It's not that easy, especially with this pandemic and everything. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. And I'm out. Peace.